I don't know how many of you out there are dealing with anxiety or self-doubt, or you're feeling stuck, or you've been trying to manifest for I don't know how long and nothing's happening, or you're struggling to rewire your belief system and it's just not quite working. This is the video that's going to help you. Hey guys, Sarah Stone Love here. Welcome back to my channel, all about the science and psychology of manifesting. And today we are talking about EFT tapping, emotional freedom technique. The name says it all. The results that I'm getting from doing this in a matter of seconds. Your nervous system relaxes. Instead of going into that stressful fight, flight, or freeze, that stress response. How are we ever supposed to manifest and shift our belief system when we have this overpowering fear, deregulating our nervous system? We need tools like EFT tapping to regulate our nervous system, to calm ourselves down, to have this physical response of our body, because a lot of these trauma and these emotions are in our body where they're getting stored, and it gets stuck in this feedback loop. And this is a simple, free, amazing method that you can do anytime in seconds to literally reset your nervous system. There's another study by Dr. Dawson Church. It was all about measuring the cortisol levels, which is the body's main stress hormone. There was a 43% drop in the cortisol levels. Now, this was only after 1 hour of tapping. That means tapping doesn't just change what you're thinking. It literally is changing what your body feels at a hormonal and neurological level. So if you've ever thought to yourself, nothing's working, I'm just stuck, I want you to know that your body literally holds a blueprint to change. And EFT is just one of the many tools out there that you can use to help your nervous system remember this truth. So we're going to try one right now for anxiety that's been very helpful for me. So go ahead and start by tapping on the side of your hand. Even though I feel anxious right now, I deeply love and accept myself. Even though I feel anxious right now, I deeply love and accept myself. This anxious feeling in my body, all of this tension that I'm holding, I feel overwhelmed, and that's okay. My nervous system is doing its best to protect me. I allow myself to soften just a little bit. It's safe to relax right now. So I give myself permission to breathe and let go. Now just take a deep breath in and out. I like to put my hands on my heart and actually focus on my breath coming in and out of my heart. Just these few minutes of tapping completely shifted my energy. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but I feel different. It's creating this sense of inner peace. It doesn't mean that we're never going to feel anxious again. It just means that when we do, we have a tool to use to shift it. And it does help over time to build up to where we become less anxious. If you'd ever like to try a more in-depth guided session, check out my website, Sarah Stone Love. I would love to assist you in that. I would love to meet you. And maybe share this video with someone you love. I'm Sarah Stone Love. Please join me every week. I'll be sharing more content on how to manifest your dreams, because you know what? You are absolutely worth it.